Saving money is about getting your money to know you, like you, and trust you enough to make you more money. In this video, I will share with you the 5 simple tips I used to make money my servant. Let's go. Hello, I'm Ekow and welcome to my channel. When you save money, you tell your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. This video is about helping you make money your servant even on a tight budget. Tip number 1, reduce your electricity. How many of us actually track our electricity consumption rate? According to Luma, Eskom's electricity prices increased by approximately 460% between 2007 and 2020, not accounting for inflation. What does this do to you as a consumer? Making small changes like limiting the amount of time you open the refrigerator, switching off lights in rooms that are not in use, making sure that everyone in the household bath around the same time, and switching off geyser during the day will go a long way to save you money. Tip number 2, cut your credit cards. Are you the person who keeps on piling on debt? Instead of burdening more debt, work on paying it down. If you feel you do not have the discipline to stop yourself from using your credit cards, the trick is to remove your cards from your wallet and purse. This way, when you get out and you see something you like, your card will be locked away at home. And if that fails, chop them up into pieces. Tip number 3, cancel subscription you don't use. Most times, we find ourselves signing up for subscriptions like entertainment streaming platforms that do not add any value to our lives. Do you pay for subscriptions that you don't use? Do you know that you can share accounts like Netflix with a family member or friends and split the payment? DSTV Premium is over 800 a month, whereas with good internet connection, you can just get Showmax for only 100 Rand a month and still get the same content. Tip 4, shop around before you purchase. Do you grab the first deal placed on your lap? If you are about to make a big purchase, say for example, a new computer or a couch, shop around before you buy. You'll find a better deal somewhere. It has always benefited me to go onto the internet and check for the best deals before I purchase, and it has always worked in my favor. Tip number 5, review your budget often. Do you have a monthly budget? And if you do you review your monthly budget at least twice a month? Without a proper review of your budget, you will never make money your servant, and you will never have financial freedom. I personally review my budget and bank statement every Sunday and adjust when needed. If you want to make money your servant, then WhatsApp me on the number below and book your free 15-minute consultation with me today. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and send this video to your friends so that they too can make money their servants. In the next video, I'll be talking about 5 best ways to save money even if you are on a tight budget, so that you can get what your heart desires. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.